Today we have a 2007 Ford Focus SES with a 2.0. The customer is saying it's got excessive vibration. So they're told that the right front motor mount was bad. We're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. This is your Ford 2.0. They seem to vibrate quite a bit, but this one's excessive. One of the motor mounts is bad. They told them the motor mount right here on the passenger side is bad. So what happens is, this is the motor mount right here. You can't see it until we start taking it apart. This rubber gets bad and it allows it to rattle more than it's supposed to, move the engine around. So what we're going to do, start off by putting the jack underneath the motor like this right here. And depends what kind of jack. This has got a good rubber on it right there, but if not, put a piece of wood on top of that. We're going to jack it up just so it moves it up. You don't have to lift the motor. Just make sure so when you take the motor mount off, it doesn't fall. We're going to start off by, you got to get the coolant jug out of the way to get at the motor mount. So we're going to go down here and get this 10 out of here on the side. Pull that out real quick. It's already loose for some reason. All right, and then once we do that, we're going to get these out of the way so we can put them off to the side. So you just lift up on that right there, that pulls that one off, push down on the other one, and that pulls that out. They'll be able to lift this jug out of the way. So we remove this 10 off of there, and just lift this up like this, and it should just pull straight up unless that clip is in place, which are usually broke. But if not, you can see over here, it's got this clip that we got to get a screwdriver, push that in, and then we should be able to pull it straight up. Like I said, a lot of times, see this, we haven't pried on it. A lot of times these are broke. So you have to push that tab in, but this is already broke, so you don't have to worry about it. But that's a very common thing on that. Just put this off to the side so you can get at the motor mount. These two top are 18, these other three are 15s. I broke these loose. I just wanted to make sure that they weren't rusted into place, and then have them snap off when I hit the power to it. So I'll just use the electric gun, which is not as powerful, but it'll take them out. We're gonna start with these 18s. Like I said, I already broke them loose. Just like that. And you can tell it moved a little, but we got that jack underneath there, so it's not like it dropped a ton. We're going to go get the 15s out and remove the motor mount. Okay, we did the other two. This is the last one here. If you have it jacked up properly, it should be pretty easy to get out of there, hopefully. Just wiggle it, get her out. Just like that. This is your motor mount, the old one, and you can see it. See how I can move that all the way up there like that? And that's not even the torque of a motor, but it's not supposed to move that much. Same thing on this one. I can't move it at all. So it should take care of the problem. So you already noticed it was the correct part. So all you have to do is take it like that, just kind of wiggle it down a little. And you're gonna want to start all the bolts and just move it around like that. So I'm gonna put these top two nuts on real quick. Spin those down a little. And then start the 3 bolts. And then tighten those down first, actually. So these 3 bolts are all the same size. You could put Loctite on them if you want. You don't have to. It's up to you. Just move it around a little like that. Put it in position. And do the same to the other 2. You want to make sure you don't put power to it and cross-thread it. So we got them all started. Ran them down with a Milwaukee, which is not as powerful. So we check them by hand. This one's tight. 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 The last 2 we're going to do are these up on top. Tightened up these 15s. Now we go back, snug these like that. That one's even tighter, so that's good. All right, now we're ready to install the coolant tank. Remember, this goes on first right here. Put that, just let it slip down over it. And we'll put that 10 in. Then we come over here to the side and clip these in just gently, like that, like that. We'll put the 10 in. All right, tighten that 10. Make sure these are clipped in. And that's all it takes to do a passenger side motor mount on a 2007 Ford Focus SES with a 2.0 motor.